Hi, everyone, and welcome back to our Step into Home Ownership segment. Today, we have awesome local lender Greg.Lewis, who is going to chat with us a little bit. First of all, thank you so much for joining us, Greg. I really appreciate you taking the time today.
It's my pleasure. My pleasure, Briana. It's good to be here.
Awesome. So, what we're going to do is, I remember you guys last month we discussed a bit about credit scores. We had a credit specialist, Latanya Patterson, who was going over how to raise our credit score. Now the question is, what score should we be aiming for? What do we need to reach? So that is why Greg is here, and Greg is going to chat with us a little bit about, so whenever we're working on getting our credit scores to where we need it to be to buy our house, what should we be reaching for?
Yeah. This is perfect timing, by the way, Briana. As I was just talking about this with a client. So just blanket statement before I kind of get into what's needed. Every loan program, conventional FHA, USDA, VA, has its minimum credit score requirement, right? So real quick, and all companies, banks, mortgage companies have usually different thresholds of what's required for minimum. For our company, Fairway Mortgages, we have a minimum 580 credit score requirement for FHA and VA loans. All right, for conventional, it's preferred to have at least a 680 credit score. And then for USDA loans, usually we need about a 620 credit score, right? So that's the minimum. But again, interest rates are predicated upon down payment, and the better credit score, better interest rate usually, mortgage insurance, things like that. So if you can get above that, we're always giving 2 thumbs up. We're always wanting to do that, but that is the minimum.
Okay, awesome. So bonus question. I know I said I was going to ask one, but really quickly, if I were, so say I'm I want to be a first time home buyer. Right now, my credit score isn't so well. I'm renting. It's like around a 560. So what should I be reaching for? Because I know like there's like some grants and stuff available.
Yeah.
What is your suggestion? When should I call you?
Yeah, my suggestion, let's get you to at least a 580, 600 first. Because again, if maybe you don't necessarily need down payment assistance, all right? But if down payment assistance is the goal, and we know we need it based on income and assets, things of that nature, I would suggest let's get you to a 640, because here in Maryland, and I know you do a lot of work in Maryland, there's a lot of programs that have credit score requirements. All right, that's not always maybe your city grants, maybe a statewide programs. Again, they have credit score requirements of 640. So I would say let's shoot for a 640, but if we come under it, 620, 612, whatever it is, we still have options.
Awesome. All right, sounds good. So again, thank you so much, Greg, for taking the time out. That was some great information. I hope you guys learned something new. I'm going to make sure that I put Mr. Greg's information on the end screen for you all to reach out. If you have any questions for him, he'd love to answer them, I'm sure. And thank you guys so much for tuning in. Some awesome information was shared here today. Who do you know that I should know? Tell them to send me a text, send me an email, carrier pigeon, however it needs to get done. Let's get you into a new home today. And stay tuned because we have some more great content coming your way very soon. Let's grow together.